Your Snapchat director mode is not working. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can actually fix Snapchat's director mode not showing. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix that problem. So first off, you're coming across this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Let's dive right into the video. First, what is director mode? Director mode is this. Here you can actually set a timer, flashlight, sounds, HD mode, and others. So if this is not actually showing on your Snapchat, in today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually fix that problem. First, all you need to do, you need to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you need to search for Snapchat. Okay, let's go and type in Snapchat. So Snapchat. So here, checking if there is a updates available. If there is, you're going to be seeing the update icon here. As you can see, you can go ahead and update your Snapchat. So after doing that and your problem is not yet fixed, the next step you need to take is to go back on it and click on app info, then click to the app, then click on storage and cache, then clear the app cache. Now, after doing that, it's still not working. You can go ahead and clear the storage. Mind you, you need to make sure you remember your Snapchat password and username before you go and clear your storage. So after clearing the storage, you need to re-log in your account. Then after doing that, I'm sure it's going to fix your problem. That is it on how you can actually fix Snapchat director mode not working. See you guys in the next one. Because for quite very end of this video, you just subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.